Alright guys, so you guys must remember this unit. This is the 1999 4-ton Corsaire by Rheem air conditioner startup. So, figured that I'd do this while I had the opportunity this time. Instead of the Bristol compressor. Or reciprocating compressor, not sure if it's a Bristol or not. It is already cold and sweaty. And that is outdoor temperature. That is a little bit warm. It's in the 60s or 50s outside right now. But here you go. Sounds good. So this is the year where I am going to be getting all my startup and shutdowns. I love this unit. This is by far one of my favorite finds. I got a comment on one of my videos of the update of the ceiling fans in my house saying YouTuber HVAC Productions Plus commented if I'd be making any more HVAC videos. Yes, I will, if you're watching this. So, don't worry, they're not going away. The air handler in the house is an old vintage thing. I haven't been able to get to it, but it sounds old. I can hear that 2-amp motor in there, or whatever amps it is. But that is old and sweaty. Yeah. At least it's a 4-ton. Yeah, 4-ton. As I remembered. So, and now comes the shutdown. There you guys go. So as always, I thank you guys for watching. And like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys.